Hi, my amazing planner people. It's Jess from My Magical Planner, and I have a package to open with you guys today. Now, this is more of a stationery haul than it is per se a planner haul. So this order I ordered from a place called Sugar and Sloth, which I will link down below. And yeah, I can't wait to show this to you. It's a very special set of stationery that is actually designed for people with anxiety. So I wanted to try it out and see what I thought. And I love this, the fact that they put this, it's all gonna be okay on your sticker. Like their whole shop is kind of dedicated to mental health stuff. I'm trying to figure out where I need to cut down here. So I thought it was really fascinating. They are based out of the UK, so you do have to pay a little bit for shipping, but it's really, really cute. Okay, so I ordered a bunch of stuff. Let me just kind of take everything out of the box so I can get the box out of the way. Which, by the way, I love the fact that their box is like perfectly sized for what I ordered. Okay, so this looks like a sticker. I think this is a freebie. I don't remember ordering this. So it says shine bright like a wombat. Sugar and Sloth, and it has like a little wombat there and these two little guys. So cute. And that's kind of the type of characters that they create. They're very cutesy. They have this subscription that's called like a hug a month or something like that. It's really cute. Take life one cup of tea at a time. Love this. And then you have all of their Sugar and Sloth stuff here. Sunshine in a scary world. Hooray, your goodies are here. Thank you so much for your support, you wonderful magical human. I love that. I hope you are overjoyed with your order, but if you have any problems, please give me a shout out at her address there. I'd love to see your photos. Please use hashtag Sugar and Sloth, will do, so I can stalk you in a non-creepy way. Promise. If you'd like more Sugar and Sloth goodies, please check out my pin and stationery subscription box. Thanks again for being so lovely. I think Anita, I think that's how you say it. I'm really bad with pronouncing things for the first time. I don't know if you guys have noticed that. Okay, so I think this was something I ordered. Yes. So I got some of this for my daughter and some of it for me. And some of it we can use together. So this is like this little self-care little spinner game. So you cut this out and then you attach it here and then you kind of spin it and it'll land on something for you to do, like write a letter, get some fresh air. If it's night, spin again, watch a film, get creative, color, journal, or do my nails. Write down 3 things you love about yourself, eat a snack, meditate, make a hot drink. So it just seemed really cute. And one thing I really want to teach my kids, because I am personally really bad at it, is how to do self-care and how to make sure that they're filling up their own cup before they help others. And making sure they are taking good care of themselves. So I got that. I also got some bigger stickers. I like this one with everything is going to be okay. Oh, maybe I got 2 though. I don't remember getting 2. I don't know if that's a mistake on my part or theirs. But either way, I'm happy with it. And then we have, when you're feeling overwhelmed, take life one tiny step at a time. And if that step is towards the kettle, well, that's even better. So if you guys have heard me talk about my issues with trying to take care of plants, I consider myself a plant hospice worker. I help plants return to their heavenly Father. But when I saw this, I totally cracked up because, yeah, I'm a plant serial killer. It's true. You don't owe perfection to anyone. It's okay to be proud of yourself. You make the world better by being in it. It doesn't get easier, but you get stronger. You are worthy of love just as you are. I think this is a really important reminder for everyone to have. And I'm planning on putting this inside my, my Hobanashi for next year. That's my plan. Okay, and then I got this, which, can we just talk about how cute that little sticker is? And I love that her packaging is so bright. It really goes with everything else in her shop, which I'm normally not a super bright person, but I really liked her stuff. I think it's more about the message for me. Okay. So this is what I ordered. And this was like the #1 item that I wanted from her. It's this little, like, these are sticky notes. So this side says, this is making me anxious. And this side says, this is what I can do about it. Because sometimes when you have anxiety, you feel anxious. And if you can figure out why, which isn't always easy, it helps to be like, okay, what is one thing I can do right now to make this better? Even if it's just going, hey, you know, I've been through this situation before. Nobody got hurt. It's all okay. Take a breath. You know? So yeah, super excited about those. And then these were some things that I thought could be helpful for me and potentially my kids. So the first one is the 5 to Thrive. So it gives you 5 things you need to think about that day. So fill out every morning for a great start to your day. Remember, you are 1 in a million. You are loved, unique, and unbelievably special, just the way you are. You got this. So you write down, today I'm thankful for, a goal I am working toward is, today's small step towards my goal, today's non-negotiable self-care, and my affirmation for the day. Now say it out loud. Go on, I dare you. The louder the better, but if you want to whisper it, that's okay too. It still counts. And then you have a water tracker here on the bottom. So I like the concept of this. So I'm going to see, I don't know if I'll do it every day, but when I'm having a hard time, this could be very helpful. And then there's this. So sometimes, especially my kids with ADD, have a little bit of problems figuring out what things need to happen first. So this is kind of a desk pad with sections to kind of break that down. So we have urgent. This stuff is urgent and important. Write it in priority order and do these first. And we have an urgent here. This stuff is urgent but not important. Who can help you with this? Delegate as much as you can from this list. See if you can automate anything here, like reoccurring task. That one is a good one for me. Not urgent. This stuff is not urgent, but it's important. Schedule a time to do this. And then we have this not urgent. This stuff is not urgent or important. Say no to as much of this as possible. All of it? Question mark. And then just for fun, activities and rewards that make you smile or time just to relax. Schedule these too. So these are both, like, originally she came out with a box that I think had these in it, plus a few other things, and I could have gotten the box. But really, these were the key items that I want, and honestly, I might order more of these to give to some friends as a gift. I'm actually considering showing all this to my therapist. I think she'd be really interested in all of it. And it's really fun, and it's bright, it's colorful, and I kind of love it, I'll be honest. So that's my little haul for today. Let me know what you think of this type of product. I hope you enjoyed this little haul, and I will definitely link Sugar and Sloth down below. They're the only company that I've seen that makes this type of product. If you guys know of anybody else, please list them down below. Until next time, I'll see you guys real soon.